All right, now that I basically have everything that's on my little list here on the Google Doc, I'm going to go over to Claude. And what I did was I created a prompt. This is actually a pretty simple prompt to go out there and create. So for those of you who don't know, this is actually called a project. I added everything into a project. And then afterwards, I took the Google Doc and then I just uploaded it here underneath files. And then I also added the instructions down here. So with all that said right now, I'm gonna ask it, what are the next steps? I have grabbed what am I doing here? Subscriptions to Vapi, Go High Level, and 11 Labs. Where do I go ahead and begin? And based upon the different types of agents, voice agents that I want to go ahead and create, which voice agent should I go ahead and create first? Walk me through what I should be working on for the next 30 minutes. I'm going to hit that. Let's take a look. Okay, so when somebody books, the agent calls within 60 seconds, everything else is outbound. So log in to Go High Level. I'm going to click contacts, pipelines. I'm going to confirm. Screenshot, write down the calendar name. You'll need it in 10 minutes. Okay. And then set up your Vapi account baseline. So go to Dashboard Vapi, click on Assistants, create Assistant. Okay, name it TCIO speed to lead. Don't configure anything else, just save. Then click phone numbers, by number, by one US number. Okay, and then connect Vapi over to GXL. And then GXL, okay, all right. So you don't think I should start off by building the voice AI agent over there from 11 Labs first? Got it. So what about the RAG? Where should all of this information for the RAG, where should that be uploaded? I imagine the more information the voice AI agent has about my program and about our offer, the better. From past YouTube videos, our call scripts, frequently asked questions, and on top of that, probably some transcriptions from consultation recordings that we've hosted in the past. The RAG, are you saying it should be in Vapi or 11 Labs? Vapi, they handle the calls. Claude is where the thinking and the knowing happens. How it actually works in practice. When your speed to lead agent is on a call, okay, so Vapi captures the lead. It sends that over to Claude with a query. Claude pulls the relevant information from your knowledge base. It's going to send it back over to Vapi. Okay, and then 11 Labs speaks it out loud in your voice. Okay. What if I don't want it to be my voice? What if I want it to be a different voice? For starters, I think there's better voices out there other than mine. And I actually want to go ahead and A-B test which voices out there have a better sales conversion rate beyond me and my team. Got it. Okay, so that's all really cool information. Okay, so what information can I start adding into Claude right now? Because I actually have, uh, the consultation transcriptions from, I think, about 3 consultations we recently hosted as a team. Will that be enough? How many consultation recordings would you need to be sufficient? Because I imagine you'd want to get a sense of what are the types of questions that people ask when they're scheduling a call with us, so on and so forth. Is it the more the better, or should we keep it at maybe 3 to 5 for now? We also have an automated explainer video that people can go ahead and watch before they actually get on a call with somebody from our team to get a better understanding of what it is that we do. Would you like that as well? Got it. Got it. Okay, yes, upload the explainer video too. We just need the transcript. Okay. So want to upload in this order right now. The explainer video, the 3 transcriptions, whatever it is that you're currently using, like roughly some bullet points. Okay, what I'll build out from that material, your agent, your rag. I also have a pre-qualification script that we built out for the team. Would you like me to go ahead and also update that Google Doc? You see how much of a game changer it is using like voice prompting? It's pretty cool. Okay. So I think for the next 5-10 minutes, what I can do is just add in all of the documentation that you're asking for. After we've uploaded all of that documentation, what's the next step basically after that? It's pretty cool because now I feel like I'm having a conversation with Claude, right? Holy moly. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I've already uploaded this guy. So what I need to go ahead and do now is I'm gonna go back into my Google Doc. Unfortunately, at this point right now, there's a little bit too much information that I don't feel comfortable sharing with people. But as you can see here, um, like with other businesses, we actually have like just to make sure that our team is actually doing what it is that they're supposed to be doing. We do have some consultation recordings. It says we only really need 3. The script is constantly changing because the market's constantly changing. Our offer is constantly changing too, basically by course. So the next things that I'm going to go out there and do is this. I'm going to upload the transcription for that, my pre-qualification script. And then the next thing that I'm going to be uploading afterwards is going to be the transcription also for the short video we have people to go ahead and watch right afterwards. I'm going to attach all of that into Google Docs, and in the next episode, once it has all of this information, I'm going to go ahead and ask it again, what do I need to go ahead and do next? This is how easy it is to go and start working with Claude to just start building shit. Okay, so we're going to take it one step at a time. Like I said, nobody that I've talked to about 20, 30 agencies easily, and some were like actual full-blown agencies that I thought were like pretty big. That I didn't really feel confident, like, you kind of bullshit me, right? And then I met some people that were just kind of, that I watch YouTube videos myself of, and they don't really show the process. And I was just thinking to myself, probably pretty fun building some stuff while I was doom scrolling. I was watching a few clips today from Iron Man, and I was like, yo, dude, this is like 20 years ago, this technology would have been, it's so fanciful. Now it's readily accessible at our fingertips. So I'm going to go ahead, update all of those Google Docs, and see what Claude is going to go ahead and ask me to go ahead and build and add next.